This is part of the video, mommy. Showing my results. No, you're not. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my wash day routine. As you can see, my hair is super dry and it needs some moisture. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is I'm spraying my hair with some warm water. And then after that, I'm going to apply a moisturizing conditioner that has lots of slip so I can detangle my hair. This conditioner has lots and lots of slip. I actually bought this conditioner from Sam's and it was about $5, so that's a very good price. So now I am splitting my hair into 4 sections and then splitting each section into another section so I can detangle my hair. I have not washed or conditioned my hair in about 2 to 3 weeks, so I know it's going to be pretty tangled. So that's why I wanted to use a conditioner that has a lot of slip so it's easy to detangle. I also recently decided that I wanted to try to finger detangle my hair instead of using a brush to see if I would have less breakage. So after I'm done detangling the section, I use a comb to make sure I get all the knots out, and then I move on to the next section. After I make sure that each section is detangled, I take my comb and go through all of my hair together and detangle it to make sure it's all detangled and there's no knots before I shampoo. After I rinse the conditioner out, I grab my Dove Amplified Textures shampoo. It's hydrating and it's for coils, curls, and waves. This shampoo is by far my favorite shampoo that I have ever used in my life. It is super moisturizing and I just love it. It makes my hair so soft after I rinse it out, and it's so soft. In this video, I will be using mostly Dove Amplified Textures products. I have not found a whole line that I actually use, and this Dove stuff is amazing and I just love it so much. After I rinse out my shampoo, I grab the aphogee keratin 2-minute reconstructor. It's like a protein treatment and it straightens your hair and it makes it so soft. I forgot to show the picture because it got cut out. So I just applied that in my hair and I left it for 2 minutes. Then after that, I rinsed it out and I grabbed the Dove deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is amazing. I know I keep saying that about the whole line, but it makes my hair buttery soft, like so soft. I got my sister using it and she loves it. I got my mom using it and she loves it as well. We go through this stuff like crazy. So I just put that throughout my whole head, and then I put it up into 2 buns, and I get a shower cap. Actually, it's not a shower cap, it's a grocery bag, but I put the grocery bag over my head, and the directions said to leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes, but I actually left it in for 10 minutes. The one other thing I love about this line is it's so affordable. If you get it from Target or Walmart, I think it's only either $6.99 or $7.99 for each product. That is so affordable. So next, after I rinse out the deep conditioner, my hair is so soft. It feels so good. It feels hydrated, it feels moisturized, and I'm loving it. So the next thing I'm grabbing is my Dove leave-in conditioner, and I take a couple of pumps of that and I spread it throughout my whole hair to make sure every strand of my hair is moisturized and covered. After I put in the leave-in conditioner, I grab the Dove Amplified Twist and Moisture Shaping Buttercream. Now this stuff defines my hair so good. I actually used a little bit too much in this video, but usually I don't apply that much because it is kind of thick and my hair is on the fine side, so if I use too much product then it will get way down. So after that, I'm going to apply the Curls hair jelly. This stuff is amazing. This stuff defines my hair so well. It leaves my curls nice and shaped and juicy. It does leave a little bit of cast, but I like that because if it's windy, then my hair won't get frizzy, and you can just scrunch out the crunch after, honestly. But that stuff is just, that is by far my favorite gel ever. So after I apply the gel, I take my paddle brush and I just make sure that all the products that I put in my hair is evenly distributed. As you can see, my hair is super defined. Super defined. So I just continue to do that for each section, and then the products that I'm using in this video are products that I apply in my hair every time I do a wash day or anytime I'm styling my hair. These are like my staple products. It feels really good to actually find products that actually work in your hair, because when I first started my curly hair journey, I used to go through so much products because I couldn't find the right ones that actually what am I trying to say? That actually like work in my hair, and I don't get flakes, I get definition, I get moisture, and those are the things that are important to me. I like moisture, I want my hair to be healthy, I want it to grow, and I like definition. I really don't care about length, I just want healthy hair. Okay, now I'm taking a comb to do a middle part because that's how I usually style my hair. I usually don't wear my hair all the way out because of the way it's cut. I'll either put a headband in, or I'll do like some ponytails or like puffs to make it look really cute. I'm actually going to show you guys in a separate video the styles I like to do on my hair. So this is my hair after I put all the product in. I'm just breaking my fingers through my hair to make sure there's no knots and that everything is distributed and it's nice and juicy and moisturized. I'm going to show you guys how my hair looks in the back. I will come back and show you guys how my hair looks after it is completely 100% dry, and then I'll show you what I do next. So this is what my hair looks like about 4 to 5 hours later. My hair is 100% dry, and it does have a little bit of crunch to it, but I'm going to fix that later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this headband to push my hair back, and I'm going to take some gel and slip down my edges. So don't come for me and my brush. I know it's raggedy, but this brush works so well. So what I'm doing is I'm going to spray some water on my fingertips, and I'm going to apply the water to my edges. And then after that, I'm going to take the gel and I'm going to slick down my edges. Now the gel that I'm using is by Pantene, and this gel is amazing for laying down your edges. I actually don't use this gel like in my hair because it's too crunchy. But using this as an edge control is amazing. Like when I go to bed and I wake up, my edges will still be there, nice and slick down. So that's why I love this gel so much. If you see my lips moving, it's because my mom was talking to me while I was filming. So like I said before, my hair is crunchy, so I'm just shaking my hair and pulling the curls apart so my hair isn't, you know, flat to my head, and so I can get some volume, because we don't like crunch. We love soft curls. Now I'm taking this really cute headband and I'm going to style my hair with it. I decided that I didn't want to wear my hair in my usual hairstyles and I wanted to switch it up. So I just put this headband in and I think it looks really cute with my short hair. That's all for this video. I am so glad that you guys took the time to watch this video and I hope you guys liked it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!